Hey guys, Annie here with another food snack drink review. Today I'm going to do a viewer request. They wanted me to try the new bowl from KFC, the new potato smash bowl. It's a hefty bowl. And of course they didn't give me a fork. Let me go get a fork. It is heavy. Oh wow, it's got a lot of stuff. It's got French fries, it's got nacho cheese, it's got bacon bits, it's got mashed potatoes, and it's got a shredded cheese in it. It smells like a baked potato. All right, let's give it a try. Mix it up a bit so make sure you get a bite of everything. Mashed potatoes. You can also have the option of getting nuggets on it, but I wanted to try it without the nuggets on it, just the way it's originally made for. Wow, this is really good. It tastes like a baked potato with French fries in it. Wow, they did a good job with this. And this bowl is only $3.49. That's cheap for all this food. It's got a lot of cheese sauce in it. Look at that cheese sauce. I don't know if you ever had a KFC bowl before, but they're really good. They have the mashed potatoes with the corn, gravy, and chicken nuggets on top. That's really good. And they have a mac and cheese bowl with macaroni and the chicken nuggets. But this one right here, I think really is the best one they've done so far. I would give this a 5 out of 5 without a doubt. So if you like potatoes, baked potatoes, go try the new smashed potato bowl at KFC. One more bite for the road. All right, thanks for joining me, and keep your requests coming in, and I appreciate it, and let me know what you want me to try next. Have a good day.